Hello everybody, this is TFC Melons here, and today we're going to be playing the higher lower game, which sounds okay. High scores 2, I played it once before, so let's do this. Serengeti, I think Loneliness has more. Well, yep, way more. Pampers, higher. Yep, that's what I thought. Lower. Oh, never mind. Oh, Jesus. Preparing game. Berlin Wall has more. Jordan has more. 12 ain't lower. Sangel more. This is actually pretty easy. I have no idea. I'm gonna say higher. I have no idea what that is, but water. Nope. 60 to 11 million. The Undertaker higher, way higher. This is what the hell? Oh, I thought that would be a popular thing. Oh, okay. Okay, now we're going to play Would You Rather. Would you rather? I want to play. Either IO. Let's join now. Cannot say this information out loud. Join now. Being able to experience sadness, being able to experience anger. Save. Being able to experience sadness, that would be a lot better, because I don't want to be sad, and I would rather be angry than, because if someone like punched me in the face, I'd be like, oh, I'm sorry, like punch him back. Next question. Be a contestant on Wheel of Fortune, be a contestant on Jeopardy. Wheel of Fortune, I'm pretty sure they make a lot more money, so. Next question. Eat fast food burgers every day, Chinese takeout. Definitely. I could not eat a burger every day. I could eat Chinese every day. There's a lot more options. Be covered in feathers, fur, definitely. Who want to be covered in feathers? That'd be weird. Vacation in New York City, I don't know, I don't like China or Japan. I don't like Japan. Sorry, not China. I don't like Japan. Actually, Tokyo, because I'm thinking China. Because Tokyo would be beast. Sushi. Have you liar be underwear? What? I have no idea what that is, so I'm gonna skip that. Be required to perform 2 years of mandatory military service when you turn 18. Have a draft enforced during war. Nope. I would definitely rather mandatory military service. Next question. Have every song you can ever listen to turn into Nyan Cat? Jesus. Have every movie you've ever watched turn into Badgers? This one. I could not stand listening to the Nyan Cat one because it's like I don't know. Could not stand that though. Is that it? Oh. I don't know. I like the South Park. I love Family Guy, but I like the South Park characters a lot. I don't know. I can't play video games without a hand. I can't. Okay, yeah. See, that one's a better option. That one's a better option. Like I can do stuff with that one foot. I can't like do anything with that hand. Next question. Only eat or drink? I like eating. It's a lot better. So be a vamp. Oh, be a werewolf. Being a werewolf would be beast. I would kill some people. Eat only human. Jesus. Starve to death. That's disgusting. Windows. Way better. Way better. Live it in a giant peach. Giant peach. James and the Giant Peach. Love it. Used to love that movie. Yeah, that's what I thought. Have a drunk personal driver, have a thief made. I'll have a thieving maid and nanny, so I don't die by a drunk personal driver. I can probably catch a maid or a nanny, and I'll punch them. Have your life be narrated by Morgan Freeman. Probably James Earl Jones. Oh wow, I like Morgan Freeman, but his noise gets really annoying. Pretty sure James, or let me look. I'm pretty sure he's the Darth Vader guy. Yeah, he is. He's a Darth Vader guy. So I'd rather have, yeah, like, why would I rather, Morgan Freeman's nothing. If you had to, would you rather eat the Twitter bird, WWF Twitter bird? I don't feel like eating a panda. Stub your toe, get a, what do you think, paper cut? No, no way. You can break your toe. I don't care if I get a small paper cut. Queers. Winter Olympics. Are you kidding me? So you rather do swimming than like crazy snowboard stuff? Would you rather eat for roll-ups or eat fruit by the foot? What? Don't even know what that means. Fall 2 stories onto concrete. Freezing water. I can maybe survive. Listen to Rebecca. Oh, Jesus Christ. Justin Bieber's not that bad compared to Rebecca Black. I don't know. Yeah. I don't feel like feeling that pain. Actually, no, that sounds terrible, both of them. Live in a Toyota Prius. Toyota Prius. I'm definitely not living in a bathroom. I don't know, that'd be kind of weird having... Wow, this is like 50-50. Never mind. Be a male police officer with a high-pitched voice. Appearance of an 8-year-old boy. I don't know. That'd be embarrassing. Like, people thinking that you're a little kid, so... No, but eat 4-inch... I hate spiders, so I'd have to go with the wasp. Okay, if you're hit by a car, would you rather have locked-in syndrome and no cure in sight? Actually, I don't know. No, but why did I click that one? I'd rather have no sight. Okay, I don't want to end on that. Macarena, but no, wait, Macarena probably, because I can probably dance to it better. I don't know. Be an excellent singer. Excellent singer. I can be famous, bro. Okay, I'm gonna end it there. Everybody have a good rest of their day. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe.